Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and we got another truck we're getting ready to put on the lot. I wanted to share this with you. This is a beautiful maroon colored Ford F-150. It's an XLT trim package. I'm going to do a quick walk around here and we'll go on the inside and take a look. Beautiful chrome cover on the grille on this. Chrome running boards, as you can see on the sides. You do have the tinted windows in back. Good tread is on the tires. You do have a hard tonneau cover. As you can see on the back, you've got tinted back glass. It is flex fuel, so it's going to be able to save you a little bit of money on that. You do have a receiver hitch down here. So let me go ahead and open this tonneau cover and show you the bedliner. Okay, here we go, guys. I got the hard cover lifted up. You can see the bed liner. Now, we did spray this off. That's why it's wet in here. But let me just show you this cover. Actually, the inside of that appears to be in very good condition. Okay, so we will continue to do our walk around. Beautiful maroon color on this. You do have the turn signals on the mirrors. Get up here, show you the XLT. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay guys, here we go. Beautiful lighter color, tan, beige, two-tone colors on your door panels. The up overhead panel looks to be in very good condition. I really do like the two-tone color on the door panels. Okay, here we are on the inside. Show you the door panel, then we'll get ready to go ahead and we'll take a hop inside and show you everything. Okay guys, here we are on the inside now. Do a little quick look around here. Let me go ahead and get a little closer to the gauges, show you that. And as of now, the mileage on this truck is 128,798 miles. You do have cruise control with your controls right here on the left side of your wheel. And we're going to go over here. You do have control in your braking system and overdrive control here. Get over to the main command center. You see your audio. It does have CD player right here. Now this truck does have the ability for SiriusXM radio. You can actually see that up in the preview. And back away here a little bit. It does have, connectivity for a phone. And get down here to your climate control. And you do have two cup holders here, storage compartment. And we'll take a look in back. And there you can see the back, all kinds of leg room back here, ladies and gentlemen. So there we have it, and that concludes our tour of the newest addition to our family here, 2010 Ford F-150 XLT, 5.4 V8 engine in it, chrome running boards, hard tonneau cover on the back, and we've got this thing priced what we feel is a very fair price to sell quickly. So if you have any questions, give us a phone call. Come up for a test drive. We've got a lot of financing options available. Maybe get you in this truck with no money down. So have a great day.